Today's video, we're going to be talking about this step right here. It's something GM should have done, Chevy, all the car companies. They did this one right here, but it's just too high. This one right here from WOLFBOX tucks right up. It's perfect. Let's get into the install. Real quick unboxing for you guys. We have the nuts and bolts. We have the mounting bracket, support bracket, also the linkage arm, and your step pad. This is, I mean, as you can see, it's pretty good size. Let's get into this install. We can't forget the instruction manual, but by the time you watch this video, I hope you know how to install it. That means we did a good job. We are first going to remove these two bolts from the bumper mount, holds the bumper on. Then we are taking off this cross member here, support. Let me get that done and I'll be right back. Before we get too much into this, here's what you'll need. This kit, this is a Suzime. They sent me this a while ago. I've been using this kit for a while. Comes with, this is a standard set, or they do have the metric set also. You'll need a 1/2 inch, 3/4, and 7/8. 7/8 will be your frame bolt. These will be your bumper bolt. These will be all the hardware and everything that comes with the kit that you need to install. Okay, the bar was the hardest part. It is a 7/8. Take the nut off, and then the bar will come right off. Now let's assemble the pieces. We're now at the part we have to put these brackets together. On this bracket, there's 2 holes there, and then you line them up with the 2 holes here. Then those pieces on the end go together, just like this. I'm going to secure the 2 bolts on the inside of this, and we'll be right back. These holes right here. Just like that. Those 2 are secure, and I'm using a, let's see, 13mm or 1/2. Before we finish this up, thank you very much for staying this long. If you could, hit that like button. It helps us reach more people, helps them see this step. This is not just for Silverados, they make it for Fords, they make it for Dodges, so go check out WOLFBOX. WOLFBOX did send me this. It's not a paid promotion. I'm just doing an install video and giving you guys my honest reviews. So if you like this type of stuff, we go to car shows. We've done a build series on our 19 Silverado. Stay tuned, we got a lot of stuff coming up. Maybe some more build series on this, car shows, or we have a 67 C10. So smash that like button, come join us for the journey. Back into the video. Now it's time for the linkage arm bracket. There's 2 holes here, 1 hole here. We're going to install it on the bracket we just assembled. Line it up. Put it down like that. We're going to use these that have the washer and lock nut already on it. Will be on the top ones. And then the one by itself that you put the washer and the lock nut on goes in the middle one up I guess, top or whatever. It's the top of the V one. Show you a better angle of it. So it goes into this one. Two that are already assembled go into these two, 1, 2. I'm going to tighten this down and get into the next step. Trying to get it so you guys can see it here. Let me finish this up. I'll be right back. Now all these are tightened down, secured tight. Here is the bracket, how it looks so far. This piece right here goes into the notch on the frame, and then the two up front go into your bumper mount. Now we're going to get into putting the step pad on. We're going to be using these T bolts, I guess, or slide them into the track. You have 4 of them. They just slide right in. Slide right in like that. I'm going to flip this over. Now we are going to line these up. They can always be adjusted at any time. Have it right there on the outside one. Put a washer on. And then we'll put the nuts on. I'm going to get this all tight and I'll be right back and I'll show you how it looks. Alright, they're all tightened. Here's the complete assembly together. Now let's go put it into the truck. This is going to be a hard angle to get. I'm going to put it up there and then I will show you before I bolt it together. Here's the mounting location once I got it finessed in there. Here you'll see is the bumper bracket bolts we took off, and then up top there, see if I can, top right there, that is the frame bolt. I'm going to get these bolts secure and I'll be right back. Just like that, we are fully secure. Did those 3 bolts up there. Looks great. Let's try this out. Here's the install. As you can see, fits really good. Looks like it belongs there. Gives an OEM look. Now is the first test for this. Folds right up. Works great. A lot easier to get into the bed now. Supports up to 330 pounds. So a bigger person, or if you're carrying something, this will work for you. One other great product from WOLFBOX. Thank you, WOLFBOX, again for supporting the channel. We've installed some of their rear view camera mirrors into the truck also. So if you haven't seen that video, check that out afterwards. And if you could, please hit that like button. Go show WOLFBOX some support. We'll drop all the stuff in the comments on where you can find it. Go grab it for your model truck. It is a great product. It's done well for us. It's a lot easier to load coolers in, car parts, whatever I need to load in. I don't have to stretch up and step in anymore. We'll see you guys in the next install video or maybe a car show. Check out video on the left and the right.